welcome back again to my channel, and welcome back to Bomsy Sports. I mean, we have new subscribers, hundreds of subscribers that have joined my channel newly. Thank you guys so much. Without you guys, I don't think there's any Bomsy Sports. And I'm talking about not just the new subscribers that have joined my channel. I'm talking about people that have also started with me from the inception and the foundation of this channel, Bomsy Sports. You know, they have started with me, they've grown with me, people that have also joined along the way, and people that, you know, have clicked that subscribe button to get us up to 12,000 subscribers. I was like, you know what, let's just go and start a country. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. So this is just me sitting down here and giving you guys like an update of what the face of this channel would be looking like, you know, in the coming weeks. So I feel like, you know, I've given you guys a lot of vlogs. I mean, like family vlogs, what's happening in my family and all. But I think that it's time for me to get more creative with this channel. There's a lot to show. There's so many things that I can do. You know, there are so many things to show apart from just, you know, just the comfort vlogs that you guys are used to. But not to say that, you know, I'm gonna be taking vlogs away. I'm not taking vlogs away, because, you know, through my vlogs I have gotten, you know, a couple of people that have reached out to me, you know, for KK events and decor, to come decorate their events and all, just by showcasing like what I did in a week and the events that I had, and this was the outcome, and this is how I decorated it. I've gotten a couple of people reach out to me, so it's also a way of me publicizing, you know, what I do, aside being a YouTuber and a 9-to-5 mommy. Aside being a YouTuber and a 9-to-5 mommy. But, you know, I was having conversation with my YouTube manager, right, and we're just talking about the growth of my channel, and, you know, how I need to be more creative and things that I need to, you know, try and move with the wave of, you know, how the algorithm picks up things that are very creative and not just things within your comfort, right? So, you know, I released the video of the Bejuleki market that I went to, you know, because I really wanted to make that video very perfect, from the thumbnail to the editing to everything. I really wanted, if I'm going to be doing documentary videos, I really wanted to actually make that video perfect. And I saw the reception from that video, and it was like, wow, wow. Wow. I saw the reception, I saw the, you know, subscribers that came from that video, you know, and it really blew my mind. So going into, you know, Ibejuleki and just doing a documentary about this place was something that I actually loved to do, right? And I was like, I'm a Port Harcourt, the girl that actually came to this Lagos, and, you know, there are a couple of places that I've been to that I've shared with you guys: the Makoko market, the seafood market, the law school market under the law school bridge. You know, I've been to Oyinbo market and a couple of markets, but I believe that there are many more places that are hidden in this Lagos, you know, that I've not been to. Right, so now me being creative is not just going to be only documentaries as well. I'm trying to see if I can throw in some interviews as well, you know, head into the market. You guys will also let me know, give me more ideas. Head into the market, you know, have chit chat with the common man, you know, feel the pulse of the common man, and just, you know, ask questions of how the economy presently is, you know, affecting them. Just be more creative, just bring more things to you guys on the channel, right? Even if I'm gonna keep the vlogs, but I also want to be more creative on the channel, and just see, you know, as I'm trying, I know that, you know, the people that genuinely love me and want to support me will keep watching. And I'm also trying to work on a project in September, because that's when I'm gonna take my leave, and, you know, I would have more time to myself, finger crossed, in September. I want to organize like a podcast, right, where I would sit with other women as well. And these are not just, you know, the common women you find every day, people that, you know, are living in their husband's house and are married and whatnot. No, I want to have chit chat with widows that, you know, have been left with children, and, you know, how they are coping, because I believe that, you know, there are people that are just in the same struggle with a lot of people, but when they hear people voice their struggles and how they're able to overcome certain things, it's just like a source of strength and inspiration to them. I'm gonna also try and see how I'm gonna have chats with like single moms as well, you know, trying to remarry or trying to get married, and what are the challenges and all of that. So I want to, you know, spread my wings. I want to spread my wings with all of this content and see how well, you know, you guys are going to receive this content, you know, be more creative on the channel as well, you know, and let's just see where it goes from here. I decided to just come here, sit down, update you guys. I also will try and do a live stream before the end of this month, so watch out for that. I possibly would do that next week, sometime next week. I possibly would do like a live stream with you guys, interact with you guys, where you guys can call in, you know, and then ask me questions. We get to sit down, chit chat, talk, you know. I feel you guys pause and know what's happening. But let me know what you guys think, you know, in the comment section, if this is a welcomed idea for each and every one of you, because I realized that you guys loved my documentary video a lot, and a lot of people were like, oh my god, Bomsy, you're so good at documentary. Oh, Bomsy, you're so you're so good at documentary. You know that there is always this side of you that you always push aside, you know, you always push aside. I'm like, and then you go to the comfort one. You go to the comfort one of something that, okay, it's not going to stress you to do, but there's another thing that you love to do that you just push aside, like, when am I going to get the time to do all of these things? But these are things that I've really love to do. So this is what, you know, I want to do on this channel. I want to be more creative as the wind is blowing. Right, my YouTube manager will say, you know, look at the things that the algorithm is pushing. You know, try to also be creative, add other things as well, you know, to your channel, and see which, you know, your subscribers or people will be more interested in watching than, because you were saying that, you know, sometimes with vlogs, if there's something that is not super interesting or something that has happened, you know, maybe be like relocation, she didn't say this, but it's like, be like maybe like relocation, or you just put to bed, or one thing or the other, people are so interested, they're so intrigued, they want to know, they want to, you know, okay, what's happening and all. But if nothing is really happening and it's just, you know, your comfort vlogging, people will not really, you know, be interested. It's just the human mind, you know, for things that are just really exciting and really interesting to watch. So I want to make your data worth it, right? So I think I would, if it's not raining, it's a holiday today. It's a holiday, it's democracy holiday today, and if it's not raining, it's looking like it wants to rain, I want to head into the market and, you know, sit down with a couple of the market women in the market and have like an honest chit chat with them. I'm not just going to be talking about the economy alone, but other things as well, you know, other things. So watch out for all of those videos. I don't want to make this video too long, but watch out for all of those videos. And with time, I will also build like a creative theme of people that, you know, I'm going to be working with to make this content even more frequent. Yes, because one thing that I want to stand by is by being consistent with this content. I don't want to start and pull back. I don't want to start and pull back. So I would also work towards, you know, building like a creative theme that is going to help me, you know, push this content even more. Sorry, I'm sweating. I don't know, the weather is just hot. It's changing, like it's changing. I can see outside there like the weather is changing, but I don't know why in here it's still very hot. The fans are on and all. But yeah, you guys just let me know. These are, you know, a couple of the plans that I have for this channel and how I want the face of this channel to look in the coming weeks. So let me know if there are other things that you possibly would want Bomsy to add to the channel. Let me know in the comments section, and if it's something that I can do, I would go for it. You know, thank you guys so much. And I really also want to thank my YouTube manager. I mean, she's been so amazing, so exceptional. She's been monitoring my growth, my views, my, I think you did this, I think you should do more live. I think you should premiere your video more. I think you should. I'm just really grateful. And to the amazing people that I have met in this short while, I don't want to mention her name, and to the amazing person that has been such a source of inspiration to me. I mean, we are both women doing the same business, but this lady has carried me literally on her wings in this business and has opened my eyes to a lot of things that I've just known that it's not even about the quantity of videos that you put, like, is in the quality. Spend your time to edit, spend your time to create your thumbnail so that you can see the result from all of these things. But anyways, thank you so much. God always knows how to put the right people in my path at every point, you know, instead of complaining, always, you know, puts people that would help me just see the solution. Like, I think you need to do this, I think you need to do this more, I think you need to. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys, you know, would drop your contributions in the comment section, because you all are part of Bomsy Sport. Like, you all literally make up Bomsy Sport. So drop me your, you know, comments in the comment section, and I will definitely see you guys in another video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like, share, turn on your notifications for more videos, and bye guys.